What's going on, guys? This is Alaskan Hog from Fin Trade Pros, and I wanted to talk about Chewys today. We had a lot of UOAs that came out on Friday, um, so I wanted to talk about the chart a little bit, and just the company overall and what I see happening. So this is the daily chart. As you can see, we have just a nice grind up, over the last several months. Especially during the coronavirus era where people are spending more money online buying their food, and people like this product. All right, you have an auto ship, you can set up so you never worry about missing your dog food again or forgetting to get it at the store, or and it's a great, they got great products for all different types of animals. So it's definitely a great company, and I would think that this would continue to run up as long as we don't have any volume that's going to be pushing it down. Like, you look at this sell off right here, there's no volume right here, absolutely no volume, compared to it's days that it's pushing up. So there's not a lot of volume selling off. If you were to see an increase of volume selling off and this were to come down and hit this 50 period moving average and break it and then continue down to make newer lows, then you could be bearish on it. But until that happens, you've definitely got to be very bullish on this. I mean, it just keeps stair stepping up, and I would expect it to continue to stair step up. Another thing that you can do is go over to finviz.com. This is a free site, and you can type in the ticker symbol, if I can spell it right, and it'll give you a little chart, which we don't need that. But what it will give you is a block of information here that shows a lot of different things, like your average volume compared to your volume of the previous day. It'll show you, your short float ratio, your target prices. It's got a lot of great information. Down below that, as you can see, in June, back on the 10th, there were a lot of good things come out, with people upgrading and changing their price targets. So there's a lot of good news coming out. Here's the news down here. You can kind of get a glimpse, so this is showing on the 23rd of June, which is this coming up week. Chewys is going to virtually present at the Jefferies Consumer Conference. So I think all these UOAs that are coming out, they're expecting some good news to come out of that. So don't worry about the chop. Don't worry about the chop in between until that conference hits, and we'll see what happens from there. But the 3 and 8s, are crossed. They're moving in the right direction. I don't see any reason why this would pull back. Anyway, so I hope this video gave you guys, an idea of what Chewys is going to do. This is my thoughts. I'm not telling anybody that you should stay in something or buy something. This is just my thoughts on Chewy moving forward. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, guys, trade smart. Have a great weekend.